Hi everyone, this is Dr. Neha Taneja. So guys, NEET PG is over and I'm sure some of you have started your journey again, or some of you are just starting or thinking to start. So based on the analysis of the current NEET PG which was held, I'm going to tell you one biggest mistake that you must avoid during your preparation. That mistake is, please do not leave your revision for the last moment. Don't say that I'm going to revise during the last 2 months or during the last 1 month. No, there is nothing like that. For a competitive entrance examination like NEET PG, the revision needs to start from the first day of your preparation. If you're starting your preparation today, you have to do a 1 hour revision today also of whatever you have studied. Please keep your revision for every day. Previously, in the earlier days, you can keep it as 1 hour, 2 hours, gradually increase the duration. Never leave your revision for the last moment. This is one mistake which most of the students make, that they leave the revision for the last moment and end में इतनी चीज़ें हो जाती हैं that you're unable to revise. So revision has to be a constant process. Please keep that in mind during your preparation for NEET PG. It's extremely important. Guys, every day at morning 9 a.m. I take PSM classes on free on Unacademy app. You must download it and visit or attend my lectures conducted on my Unacademy profile. Okay, you can listen them later also. And for any subscription, you can also use my code PSM10 and get a 10% off. Do download the Unacademy app and like, comment and subscribe to Unacademy channel.